So to do, we'll take a fork and we'll add lemon so that it color doesn't get changed because it will oxidize. And then we'll add little tomato, little bit of onions, and then we'll mix it. And chili is optional. If you want, you can add it. I'm going to and then we'll mix it nicely. Avocado, we have made the guacamole, so you can just put it on the bread and have it. So this is ready to go. Or you can nice bread, so I'll just cut it. So we'll add guacamole on it. Have it, and you can either make it like a sandwich and have it, or you can just have it like this. So I will just going to have, you can just cut into small pieces and just serve.